Okay, this is Zach with Grow Freedom 1776. I want to go over how to make a nice non-chemical based, natural based herbicide. Over here we have 20% acidity vinegar that you can get at the garden center, McIntyre's Garden Center, or most horticultural stores. We have orange oil. You can buy that at most garden centers. And we have a molasses. This is a horticultural molasses, but it can be food grade. And so in here I put 1 ounce. This is a quart bottle. We've got 1 ounce of molasses, or no, that's, excuse me, 2 ounces of molasses, pre-measured out. We've got 1 ounce of orange oil, already measured out. So I've got 3 here. I just mix the orange oil, molasses together. So that orange oil will give it some more acidity, plus help it stick. Molasses does the same thing. You get a little bit more acidity, and you get the help make that vinegar, that distilled vinegar, stick. That's pretty much it. You do want to shake it up between uses and then go spray morning before a sunny day. That's it for Grow Freedom 1776. Y'all have a great day. Like, subscribe, share, please. It does help. Thank y'all very much.